Today, I'll show you this part about taking out the whole rust around these holes. Now, I'm not going to do it with the hand wire brush like I was doing with cleaning the bed. I'll finish up with this one right here on my trusty little handy power corded drill with this nasty ass cord. I'll also show you how to replace this here pretty soon. It's about time. The outer sheathing on that is, as you can see, is about gone. Don't use these at home. Okay, now that my little legal whatever's out of the way, make sure that's tight, and we just scrape it away. And that's that. Now, I gotta do this 7 more times on the holes. I'm not gonna subject you to watching that. You've seen one. Now all it needs pretty much is just dust it off. A little bit of primer shot on there. That takes care of the rust. And then when we paint the whole bed black, well, it'll get covered then too. Okay, here we are, ready to prime this stuff. You need some black primer. Here it is. I don't know how great it is or how bad it is. Who really cares? This is only temporary. Anyways, there we go. They're all sanded up. All nice and no rusty. And here we go. Gonna have to... Might as well just shoot the whole area where that rail was. All looks just a little bit rusty. Sorry about the video there. I'm spraying and videoing. Kinda off of where I'm at. Okay, so there's those ones, see? Nice, huh? No more rust. Now, we'll come over here. Oh, spot hit these. Look how easy that was. And then back over them. Like I said, might as well get the whole area where the rail was. Right. Look at that. And that one all done too. See? Nice, nice, nice. They blend in so superbly. Alright, well, that was that. I decided I'd show you a little bit of this since the corners needed done too. So I'll just shoot a little bit here. Oh, hell no, we don't tape it off. It's just a work truck, right? Down in the holes, because, you know, they rust out down there too. And I'm going to be putting those new 2x4s down in there. Okay, see that? Look at that beauty, eh? All black, all done, all easy. Wow. Yeah, alright. There'll be more painting later.